Preschool is an exciting adventure. Kids sing songs, they play with blocks, they learn their ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. Now, imagine a friendly robot joining the fun. This isn't a science fiction movie. AI robot companions are here to help children learn and grow. Picture this. A bright, colourful robot sits on the classroom floor. It's round and smooth with big, friendly eyes. This is Botley and he's ready to play. During playtime, Botley helps kids learn to share and take turns. During learning time, he helps them discover the magic of coding, with Botley by their side. Every day at Preschool is a new adventure. Coding sounds complicated, but it's really just about giving instructions. Remember playing red light, green light? That's like coding. You tell someone to stop and go. With robots like Botley, kids can learn coding without even looking at a screen. Botley comes with colourful coding cards. Kids arrange the cards in a sequence. Then they scan the cards with Botley's remote control. Botley follows the instructions, moving forward, backward, turning, and even avoiding obstacles. This hands-on approach makes coding easy and fun for young learners. They develop critical thinking skills and learn the basics of programming without even realizing it. Remember trying to build a tall block tower? It takes planning, teamwork, and sometimes a little problem solving when the tower tips over. AI robot companions can help kids develop these important skills. Let's meet Bluebot, a friendly bee-shaped robot. Bluebot loves to move around the classroom floor. Kids can program Bluebot to travel to different locations, like the reading corner or the art table. Sometimes Bluebot might bump into a chair or get lost on the way. This is where the problem solving comes in. Kids work together to figure out what went wrong. They adjust the code and try again. Success! AI robot companions are more than just toys. They're valuable learning tools that can help prepare children for the future. In a world increasingly driven by technology, early exposure to coding and robotics is essential. Parents and educators, I encourage you to explore the world of AI robot companions. Robots like Botley, Bluebot, and King's Dragon offer a fun and engaging way for preschoolers to learn and grow. Share your experiences and let's create a brighter future for our children together. Please check the description for an article with comprehensive details. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe.